What's the most popular house style in America? Steve Jobs developed the first Apple computers in one. The Brady Bunch, Golden Girls, and Breaking Bad take place in one. And according to the real estate site Trulia, it's the #1 home in 34 states. Say hello to the practical and popular ranch house. No, it's not as stately as a Craftsman, not as sleek as a mid-century modern, and definitely not as dramatic as a Victorian. But the style has flooded the country. So why is it so common? Let's first dissect the style. Ranch houses stand 1 story tall and their footprint stretches long. On the outside, they sport a low-pitched roof, a sheltered front door that's usually off-center, a picture window, and an attached garage. Inside, expect to find an open floor plan and a living room that opens to a patio, often through a sliding glass door. Ranch houses embrace privacy. Socializing happens in the backyard, not on the street. Historians have called the ranch house hospitable modernism for its emphasis on family life. Surprisingly, it wasn't a famous modern architect who invented this style. It was a rebellious Los Angeles furniture designer named Cliff May. In 1931, Cliff May designed the first ranch house, a simple 1-story courtyard home in San Diego. It nodded to his family home in rural California, Spanish-style haciendas found in the West, and Frank Lloyd Wright's prairie and Usonian homes. Soon after, May began selling ranch house plans to developers, and even became a developer himself, constructing over 20,000 ranch houses. Then after the war years, builders devised low-cost designs to help make housing affordable during a time of increased demand. The federal government jump-started new construction through subsidies and policies that guaranteed financing for materially and spatially efficient homes. Meanwhile, it launched mortgage programs to make buying new homes a breeze. People went nuts for ranch houses. Residents were drawn to its layout, which emphasized togetherness and clean lines. Builders loved how mass production and prefabrication sped up construction to fill ravenous demand. By the 1950s, 9 out of 10 new houses built in California were ranches. Over the years, ranch houses morphed as developers cherry-picked details from other styles, a tactical move to attract buyers. This house, decorated in clapboards, isn't a Cape Cod, it's a ranch. This design wrapped in bricks isn't a prairie house, it's a ranch. This house capped by a shingle roof isn't a Craftsman, it's a ranch too. And this stucco home isn't a Spanish revival, it's also a ranch. The ranch house's golden age extended from the 1950s through the 1960s. By the 1970s, its popularity plummeted, and it was regarded as boring. Buyers wanted more space, so developers built bigger and taller, effectively sunsetting the ranch. Today, however, realtors report a ranch house comeback. Aging boomers are drawn to the stair-free, single-story layout. Lovers of mid-century modernism are drawn to its aesthetic, and these homes are generally affordable for first-time homebuyers. So when you spy a ranch house in a real estate listing on HGTV or on your block, thank Cliff May.